Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this expansive, fully fitted full-floor office space now available for lease. Boasting an impressive 8,012 square feet, this office offers a versatile layout with a large open workspace, 2 separate spacious rooms and 4 elegant glass cabins, providing ample room for collaboration and privacy. The property features a dedicated meeting room, 2 server or storage rooms, and private washrooms to ensure comfort and convenience for your team. With 3 pantries, your staff will always have a spot to recharge. Enjoy the benefit of water included, with only electricity payable to DEWA. Chiller charges are 3 dirhams plus VAT per square foot, payable in full at the first payment. For your team's convenience, this property includes 8 parking spaces and 8 access cards to the shared gym within the building, promoting a healthy work-life balance. Positioned just a short walk from the Emirates Tower Metro Station, this office is perfectly situated off Sheikh Zayed Road, offering exceptional access to public transportation in one of Dubai's prime business districts. To learn more, arrange a viewing, or explore how Bayti Real Estate can help list your property, please get in touch with me on the details provided.